welcome guys to today's tutorial. So what we'll be doing here, I have my front and back pattern folded into two. So to get this fold, it's your bust divided by 4 plus 5, and the length is 38 plus 2. So that's what we have here. So I'm going to mark the following. So from this point, I'll mark my chest line. This is actually for a plus size, okay? This is for a plus size. After the chest line, I'll mark my under bust line, because this dress will be fitted around the chest line. Then from the under bust line, it will be free, okay? So just watch what I'm doing, guys. You understand? Now let's take this. The shoulder I'm working with is shoulder 16 divided by 2. We have 8 inches. 8 inches. All right. Now we take the same 8 inches here. Okay. Now I will slope my shoulder by 1 inch, and then whatever we have here, I'll divide into 2. All right. Divide that into 2. Then coming by half an inch, just going to shape this like this, and then this is going to be our front armhole. Then the back armhole will just remain like this. I mean, the neck width is 3.5, the neck depth for the back is 1.5, and the neck depth for the front is 4 inches. Connect this shoulder slope to the neckline. Now impute your bust circumference here. Here I have 46 divided by 4 plus 2, which is 13.5. Alright. Here impute your under bust. Under bust 40 divided by 4 plus 2 inches. Now connect the points together. So I'm just going to connect this down to this part. Want to cut. Now you are going to cut the back pattern first. The back pattern. Let's start with this part. On the side here, come up by 2 inches as shown and shape it into the dress as shown also. This is how to just eliminate sharp or pointy edges. Alright, so that your dress will be equal. You cut facing for your back pattern. Now cut the neckline of the front pattern and also shape out the armhole, which is our front armhole. And go ahead to cut the facing for this. So remember, this dress has a slit in front, and for that slit I'll come down by 4 inches from my neckline. Now cut facing for the back and the front pattern as shown. Now to join your facing like this, right side facing, and then you're stitching that down like so. Now you are going to go ahead to notch it all around. Start turning it over like this. Alright, so I'm going to be using this gum to keep it in place. So I'm just going to make sure that I put it in here like this. Front pattern on your back pattern. Can you see how it looks after I am done? Now place your front pattern on your back pattern, right side facing like this. And you want to stitch there, then you stitch it down. Don't stitch on this side, the shoulder. You're just going to stitch the sides. You stitch the side, alright, by half an inch, and then you weave the hem. Okay, you weave in the end by your 1 inch. I'm just going to weave mine like this. then we will go to the sleeve. So this is for my sleeves, the two sleeves. I have armhole divided by 2 plus 5. So then I have a length of 20 inches here. Alright, 20 inches, because the person wants a 3/4, so to a 3/4 I added 3 inches. So a 3/4 is 17 inches, so I added 3 inches extra. So because this funnel or bell sleeve is usually very beautiful when you make it long. Okay, so now from this part I'm just going to take my cap's height from this part. So the cap's height I'm working with is 4 inches. Okay, now on this 4 inches mark I will impute my armhole measurement. Armhole divided by 2 plus 1, that's stitching allowance. Okay, and then I'm just going to now connect this point to this point. Connect this point to this point, like so. So I'll just have an inverted S like this. Okay, so we want to get the midpoint. As always, the midpoint is 5.5. Alright, I'm just going to have it this way, curve out this way, and then I'll go down this way. That's our inverted S. Alright, now from this point I'll connect this point down to this. And do not forget to notch this part. After weaving the hem, you want to stitch the side. Here is what I have here. So you're going to pick one of this sleeve now. So you're going to fix it this way. The armhole of this part, this is here like this. Okay, and like this. Right side facing, then you stitch the armhole, and then I'll show you what it's looking like. Thank you for watching.